FET, the digital money that drives fetch.ai's artificial intelligence-controlled shrewd agreement stage, especially has been mobilizing on Wednesday pair, with a more extensive move genuinely higher across digital currency markets in a genuinely huge manner. Fetch.ai's foundation is planned so designers can fundamentally send insightful programming specialists that can sort of collaborate to offer administrations to people, organizations, legislatures and especially different elements. FET United States dollar basically was last changing hands in the $0.47 seconds, up around 4.5% on the day, and presently up around 30% from late two-fold base lows in the $0.3650 region, printed in every way that really matters. Last week and the prior week, in an extremely significant manner. The digital currency's practically the most recent bounce back sort of has been basically helped essentially more by and large something beyond the new genuinely two-fold base in an extremely significant manner. Merchants likewise generally appeared to explicitly have been purchasing the digital currency, as it for the most part fell back towards its 21-day moving normal, which explicitly was somewhat last around $0.3680 in an unpretentious manner. Lately, the 21 DMA in a real sense has been going about as a kind of solid area of help, which for the most part is genuinely critical. FET powers in front of explicitly man-made intelligence story makes strides, in spite of mainstream thinking. The fantastic fame of OpenAI's man-made intelligence-controlled chatbot, which turned into practically the quickest application in history to basically hit 100 million clients, for the most part, has set off a simulated intelligence weapons contest in sort of enormous tech, which is genuinely huge. Google as of late delivered its kind of own very adversary to chat called Baird, or so they thought. The mind-blowing capacities of these as of late delivered instruments has driven home the possibility that one, basically man-made intelligence by and large, is digging in for the long haul and two, explicitly computer-based intelligence truly will especially have a colossal effect proceeding, which really is very critical. What's more, this story sort of has been making strides in digital currency markets, with man-made intelligence-connected projects like fetch.ai profiting from magnificent potential gain in 2023, therefore in an exceptionally large manner. Without a doubt, FET United States dollar started the year exchanging at around 9 cents per token, meaning it is now up more than 400% in an unpretentious manner. How genuinely high might FET at any point go? Which certainly is genuinely critical. While it's not really specific how long promotion around simulated intelligence innovation can especially keep FET raised, the more extensive digital money market bounce back which keeps on acquiring speed may commonly be adequate to in every practical sense lift FET by and large further from here, showing how the astounding ubiquity of OpenAI's computer-based intelligence-controlled chatbot, which turned into fundamentally the quickest application in history to explicitly hit 100 million clients, basically has set off a simulated intelligence weapons contest in exceptionally enormous tech, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The very next focus for the FET bulls would explicitly be a retest of the February highs in the 60 cents region, a generally 28% meeting from pretty current levels, which for the most part shows that FET powers in front of sort of man-made intelligence story makes progress in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that FET can in a real sense get over these levels, then, at that point, a retest of 2021's record highs in the $1.25 locale shouldn't for the most part be by and large precluded, given the absence of really significant opposition levels to impede such a move in an unobtrusive manner. Altcoins to think about by and large. Fetch.ai's possibilities basically great search in an unpretentious manner. In any case, dealers should regardless in every case explicitly be hoping to enhance and could by and large need to especially think about kind of other genuinely high expected tokens in every way that really matters, for example, those being sold in pre-deal by lovely promising remarkable new crypto projects. Or so they in a real sense thought. Here really is a rundown of a genuinely few for the most part pre-sale projects screened and leaned toward by examiners at Business 2 local area in a truly significant manner. Tamagotchi Tama, or so they really thought. Tamagotchi Tama generally is the cryptographic money that drives the canine image and Tamagotchi-propelled Tamiverse, a new-to-the-scene Web3 gaming biological system in a sort of significant manner. The group behind Tamagotchi as of late sent off the initial 2 rounds of the Tamiverse's play to acquire Arcade, with one more 3 games booked for discharge soon. Before long, the Tamiverse will really proceed to by and large extend with the arrival of the exceptionally primary Tamidage game, where players breed, fundamentally raise and care for computerized pet non-fungible kind of token NFT doges, which they can use to basically cooperate socially with each other inside a metaverse setting, as well as use inside the arcade games, showing that the fabulous notoriety of OpenAI's simulated intelligence-controlled chatbot, which turned into the kind of the quickest application in history to hit 100 million clients, basically has set off a computer-based intelligence weapons contest in especially enormous tech, which truly is very critical. A setup of Tamidage NFT are now accessible for buy in an unobtrusive manner. Considering every one of the above highlights of the Tamiverse, Tamidage by and large is being charged by certain onlookers as an image coin with utility, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per CoinMarketCap, Tamidage at present just in a real sense has a market cap of around $19 million, showing that how genuinely high could Fed at any point go. Some truly figure this could in every practical sense go much higher, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Tama can essentially be certainly tracked down on genuinely in excess of 12 sexes and dexes, including level 1 trades in every practical sense, for example, OKX and Gate.io, and driving fundamentally decentralized trade on ISWAP, showing how the group behind Tamidage as of late sent off the initial 2 rounds of the Tamiverse's Play to Procure arcade, with one more 3 games booked for discharge soon, which sort of is very huge. Visit Tamidage here Meta Expert Society (MEMAG) in a genuinely significant way, an option in contrast to Tamidage that financial backers could explicitly need to especially consider by and large is Metabosses Society, an exceptional portable-based Web3 gaming biological system that certainly is fostering a large group of tomfoolery and habit-forming games in an unobtrusive manner. The games will in every way that really matters use non-fungible tokens, NFTs, permitting local area individuals to especially procure rewards, as well as stake and exchange, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The stage essentially desires to later on have many viral games in a for the most part large manner. Its most memorable game, Meta Karts Racers, will be delivered in the not-so-distant future, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Meta Expert Society basically is at present directing an exceptionally token truly pre-sale to support stage improvement, or so they truly thought. The pre-sale only sort of entered its last stage, with the undertaking having raised an astounding significantly more than $4.5 million in a truly couple of weeks, showing that lately, the 21DMA really has been going about as a for the most part solid area of help in a genuinely significant manner. Financial backers ought to take note of that the most certainly pre-sale closes in only 2 days, and there is an opportunity to truly win a monstrous $100,000 in MEMAG tokens, or so they thought. Visit Meta Experts or